Hello and welcome to The Drift. I'm your host, Sierra Goodwill. This time on Boat Build, we're aboard the NorthCoast 415 HT, meeting an amazing boat builder whose vision, commitment, and perseverance built a boating legacy from the ground up.
Joe, you have an incredible story. How did a guy decide to build a boat and end up building these in this company? That is amazing.
Yeah.
Tell me your story.
I tell you my story. I came to this country in 1973, and I was a farmer in the old country. It's people amazes because how do you become a boat builder from a farmer? So I came in 73 and I worked for a carpet company not for long, and the carpet company was close to the water. So every time I see a boat go by, I say, I gotta get to the boat.
Yeah.
So, and my father, first job was at Pearson Yachts in Portsmouth, and he was working over there. And one day I said, Dad, bring me an application. He brought me an application, and I went worked there. That's where I start. So now they put me in the tooling department, was building the molds.
Right.
So all that comes from a blueprint, and you have to lay it off and all that.
Long way away from farming.
Long way, totally different, totally different. Well, what I did, I put that on my head, and I started bringing the blueprints home. And that's how I started the blueprints.
Amazing.
I never went to school. My school was at night school to learn how to speak English. That's the only school I had. And I started bringing them home, and my father used to say, you gotta go to bed, you gotta work next morning. And I started, and that's how I became a boat builder.
What was the first boat that you built?
The first boat I built was the 18 skiff.
Sure.
So that's how I started. Then I built the 23, then we built the 26, then we came out with the 28, then the 31. So and we come out with the 41, which is the overall 46 with the engines.
Beautiful. Your flagship, which is an incredible boat.
NorthCoast Boats, built by a self-made boat builder whose passion and perseverance built one of the most respected names in boating. That right there is quality craftsmanship and amazing attention to detail. Love it. You can find the full boat build series at driftsociably.com and at driftsociably on social media. Like, follow, share, subscribe, and drift sociably with us.